Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. All right, this video, how many times have you guys heard of the term GPU mining is dead? I have probably heard that a lot more so recently, as the markets have been coming down a lot since the all-time high of last year, 60k Bitcoin or something, and we've been nonstop ever since after the Ethereum merge. People have been saying GPU mining is dead, GPU mining is dead, GPU mining is dead. And how many times have I heard that in previous history, especially in the last bear market of 2017, 2018, right? During these times. And also, surprisingly, 2014, 2015 bear market, okay? And GPUs were actually profitable during these times. And that's a story I want to talk about with you guys throughout this video. The previous times, how many times GPU mining has died. Okay, in quotes, GPU mining has died. All right, this is something that I just laugh every time someone comments Red Panda GPU mining's dead, you know, stop making videos. I've heard that so many times, it's unbelievable. And I personally have my personal conviction in all this is that every time someone says that, I feel like I just have to buy another GPU, or like, you know, it just fuels my belief in that in the future here, it's going to come back. And it already has in previous times, like 3 times already in my experience. So I don't know what else to say other than that's it. Like, I think in the future, GPU mining is going to come back no matter what, especially when everything starts to recover, especially with the markets, crypto, stocks, the world, economy, interest rates start going back down. Like, the cycle is probably going to repeat itself again. Not financial advice, of course. But anyways, let's roll today's video sponsor and I'll get into the story. CoastalCryptoMining.com. They provide a wide range of cryptocurrency services such as server hosting, consulting, and competitive pricing on crypto mining hardware from all the top profitable miners on the market currently, specializing in bulk orders. Started from humble beginnings by 2 gentlemen based out of Arizona and Virginia, USA, Coastal Crypto Mining will dedicate their experience to help you navigate through this ever-growing cryptocurrency ecosystem. Check out CoastalCryptoMining.com today and use coupon code RPM for 5% off. Link down below. Okay, so back in 2013, 2014, 2015, the rise of GPU mining for Litecoin was happening during this time when Bitcoin went up to, I think, almost $1,000. I think beginning of 2014. And yeah, during this time, Litecoin mining with GPUs was a thing, okay? And I have a CoinDesk article here to show that, all right, from in 2013, December 16, 2013, Radeon GPUs in demand as Litecoin mining difficulty increases. And the GPUs that were being used during these times were like 79 or 7000 series, like HD 7000 series cards, all right? And R9 and R7 series GPUs, so like the R9 290, R9 390, I think later on, but more so 290s, 280s, 270s, and HD. I think the notorious one that I had when I mined Litecoin, like a couple months, like I had no idea what I was doing. I was mining with an HD Radeon HD 7970 3GB card, and that was during I think I don't know, maybe middle of 2014, and I had no idea what I was doing, and I think it was profitable. I don't really know. But I was mining, I don't know, maybe a couple Litecoin a day or something. I was just like, what is this crap? And then I think the pool that I was mining on, like exit scammed, like just totally just closed the website. And the Litecoin that I mined during this time, I have no idea. It was like maybe 100 or something, just gone. All right, from like a couple 7970s that I was mining. And after that, the market went down, I think down to $200 Bitcoin. And I was just like, all right, I'm done mining, and I stopped. Which, in hindsight, I wish I didn't stop, because we all know what happens, right? Mining came back in 2017, okay? So just a little history here of mining in 2013, 2014. I would say the term GPU mining was dead probably when Bitcoin went down to $200. Litecoin went down to, I don't even have it up here, but yeah, Litecoin went down a lot. So it wasn't profitable anymore for mining. So that was the cycle back in this time, 2013, 2015. All right, next cycle. Maybe this is for some of a little bit of the OGs 4 years ago, 5 years ago. For those that have been here during this times, probably know what happened. All right, and especially with comparing it to FTX as of recently, is more so maybe the ICO season. But anyways, correlating to GPU mining is dead is, yes, the GPU mining dead term happened. I would say it was in, later third or fourth month of 2018, when the highs of Bitcoin of 20K, end of 2017, beginning of 2018 started going down. And that's when GPU mining was really starting to become no longer profitable. And there were a lot of GPUs capitulating, a lot of people selling GPUs for cheap. I remember RX 580s were like 50, 60 bucks. And even more so when the market crashed down to $3,500 Bitcoin. Oh, GPUs were incredibly cheap during these times. But profitability for especially Ethereum mining was really not good during these times. But the yield, okay, if you were still mining like I did during these times, the yield of mining Ethereum was amazing, right? Compared to back in 2021. All right. But anyways, just going back during these times, yes, profitability was not great, but mining was awesome as you were yielding a lot of the coins during these times. And obviously the rest is history, right? During these times of 2018, 2019, 2020, for people that kept going mining during these times, the people that had convictions that crypto market would come back, it did. It ultimately did. 2021, notorious double top 60, 70K Bitcoin during these times. It was just nuts, right? It was just nuts, euphoric. A lot of people made a lot of money. And so obviously for those that got into mining the past year or two, the rest is history. You guys knew what happened in 2021, right? 70K Bitcoin, 75K Bitcoin. The markets just went up parabolic. And I was just realized I'm in Canadian here. Let me just go to USD. It doesn't matter though. But anyways, yeah, the price is still, yeah, there you go. 40, 60K, 66K Bitcoin, 63K Bitcoin. I think as high as 70 or something. But whoever sold at that top then made out probably pretty good. Anyways, during these times, okay, it was really good for mining, right? Ethereum mining was great. And lo and behold, here we are again today. GPU mining is dead. All right, the comments of that are coming out again. So what do I think in the next couple years here, maybe year, if things start to recover? But that's really going to depend how the economy and how CPI, interest rates, all that stuff that is happening right now. Interest rates are high. So I think once we start seeing that come back down potentially, then we're going to see the whole cycle happen again. You're going to see people maybe take out loans, I don't know, get into mining again, as you know, that whole thing, the cycle repeats itself, that we're going to have a time when crypto and Bitcoin are going to go back up again. And especially with altcoins, potentially the other proof of work coins, for instance, I have a proof of work watch list that we may potentially see a lot of these coins jump up in price, as that always happens when Bitcoin goes up, right? It carries the whole market, in my opinion. So to go back to GPU mining is dead, I just have to laugh at those comments. I have to laugh at the people who say that, because it's happened before, right? GPU mining is dead has happened before, and I just stay true to continue to mine. And of course, I didn't do that in 2013, 2014. Like I said, I did that very small, and I lost all my coins anyway. But I came back into mining 2017, 2018. And so, yeah, during these times, right, I've been through now, I would say 2 bull markets and 2 bear markets, right? I guess this next bear market is coming now, or maybe 3, you could say, but I really wasn't. I didn't mine through the last 2015 one. But just to go back to 2018, 2019, 2020, and then here we are, 2022. And I think this is, I don't know, in my opinion, not financial advice. We're probably going to be drawn out maybe another year or 2. And then I think things would maybe start slowly to recover. And then maybe Bitcoin will then hopefully start going back up again. Cycles, right? Cycles in Bitcoin, cycles in crypto, cycles in maybe even the stock market, even as just everything in general has gone down, right? So, I mean, we'll see, right? We'll see. This is something people may say, you know, Red Panda, times are different this time. And sure, there's no more Ethereum mining. Ethereum was the one that was carrying a lot of the mining community in a sense. But in general, mining is not dead, okay? GPU mining is going to come back again. I'll bet you anything. For people that are capitulating, for people that are selling off their hardware or maybe their coins right now, are probably making, are going to make a grave mistake, especially if they're not going to come back into it or just going to forget about the coins for the next couple of years, then you're going to see those coins, you know, as the difficulty drops. Then for those that are continuing to mine during the low times, especially during the times now, then mining is going to be something that, if they can financially keep up though, mining is something that you got to have, especially got to have expendable income, especially as a residential miner. You know, like I said in my yesterday's video, you got to have extra income to continue to something like this and pay out of pocket for your electrical bill in order to hodl these coins to make that money later on. Of course, you got to pay taxes on it. There's going to be capital gains, right? If you're running it as a business, of course, but you can expense your hardware, expense the electric, all that stuff. Talk to your CPA, talk to your financial accountant, whatever, all that stuff. So, you know, this stuff is something that I truly believe that we are going to come back to a time where GPU mining will be great again. But during the bear market, in my opinion, is the time to start accumulating. It is the time to start building your infrastructure, start planning out how you can do it. Of course, if you're financially capable, right? Not everyone is able to do it because there's a lot of people out there. I know YouTube is a place for people that, you know, a lot of people that live paycheck to paycheck are not going to be able to handle what's to come, especially if they want to build during these low times of unprofitability, especially with GPU mining and maybe ASIC mining, right? ASIC mining is actually still decently profitable for most people, dependent on their electrical costs. But of course, attaining these hardware, it does seem like it's a bit out of reach because they're still, you could say, a little bit expensive. But to be honest, if the bull market came next year, next 2 years, all the hardware that you're seeing right now, like an L7 for what, $10,000 right now? Let's just see, averages, yeah, 80, 87, 89, $9,000. You're going to see when Litecoin and Dogecoin pops off, or Dogecoin pops off because maybe Elon Musk, you're going to see the L7 probably sell for then 20 grand, 30 grand, right? But that's going to be relative to the network hash rate for Litecoin, to how many of these ASIC miners are going to be out in the market. So that's going to raise the difficulty. But a lot of those things you have to take in consideration. You are obviously taking a bigger risk, right? Buying things during low times, but the upside potential of it being worth a lot more, the hardware, and then the crypto that you're mining and hodling during the low times is also going to benefit you as things go up, right? So not only did your hardware go up, but also the coins that you're mining also went up. Or you can think of it the other way around. Not only did your coins go up that you hodled during the low times of unprofitability, that your hardware that you bought during these times are also going to go up because they're profitable. So you could flip your hardware during these times and also sell your coins, and then you just made so much money. This is something that has happened to a lot of people, and that's a strategy that has happened many times, right? 2021, 2018, and you can say maybe 2013 as well. Maybe not so much. I don't know how many people bought R9 290s or 7970s for mining Litecoin back then. I wasn't really invested a lot at all. I was just really hobby miner during those times. But 2018, 2019, you know, GPU mining is dead. I think we're going to come back to it, and that's going to be like, hey, I told you so. And I will obviously be here to say that when that time comes. All the GPU mining dead comments, I feel like if I could parse my comments back in 2018 to 2020, I would just say, I wish I could tell them I told you so. Like, I really wish I could. But here we are again, right? GPU mining is dead. The comments are coming back. And I think, you know, it's going to play out again. Not financial advice, of course. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know your thoughts. Have a good one. Peace out.